Good morning, everyone. Today I'm doing another photos in hand. I had done this before and I really liked it, and plus, like, when I did the 30 days of sketches, it was so nice having at least the papers pulled out, so I kind of knew what I was doing, and I figured since this is Christmas, it would just be nice to have everything kind of a little bit more organized. So I'm going to be scrapbooking Ashton, and this was when he was probably a month or two old, so not very old. And I think it was the day that they had come down to visit me, and so, but I just thought it's so cute, him wrapped up in his little woolly blanket. And I have this Echo Park baby boy, and his little outfit, it has like all the animals like this. The colors it has similar colors in it. I just thought this is so cute, and I thought I would use this also because those are the colors like what he has on. And then I just put this in there. I thought maybe I would use it or something off here. But these were actually the two papers I was thinking of using. And so if I use anything else, just a bonus. And since this is I've already cut into this, it's nice to have it, you know, to be able to use it. And it's perfect. And so I put in the stickers, and I'm also going to use this same collection to do another one. And this is at Christmas. I think we had gotten together early that year. I'm not really sure, but again, you know, he's just a couple months. Maybe he's not even a couple months old. Maybe he's only a month old at this time. But so I thought this would work well, and then I brought this plaid in, and then if there's scraps left from the other layout, I could always use that. And I didn't know if I said this, but it's me and him, and this was like the day after we actually did our Christmas celebration, because I have a Band-Aid on my thumb because I'd gotten everybody Nerf guns. And do you think that I got any photos at all? No. We all had Nerf guns, and we played Nerf guns all through the house. It was a blast, but totally wore out my thumb. So that was pretty funny. So I have my evidence of my Band-Aid on my thumb too. So we'll be doing that one. And then I have Ashton again. I'm maybe trying to catch up on Ashton because he's well, he's not the littlest anymore. So I've got Foster Lane also, so I can do her pictures, because it'd be nice if I could get caught up on something. But anyhow, Ashton's mom had taken his picture with this little rabbit hoodie, and it was just so cute. And here he's like, you know, he's playing with the hat when she's telling him that it's got the rabbit ears on it. And so I thought I would use Fall Festival and Golden Days. I don't know, because I don't know my plan yet. I brought this in or this, so I could use either if I decided to do that, or if I only need a half a piece, I'll use this. And let's see, it's on the other side. I got one on the other side, so I definitely would not use those two together. And I probably wouldn't use that because I'm actually going to use the Autumn Book. And so I've got a bunch of this stuff cut out. The reason how come I'm using this book, well, it wasn't autumn, so I'm using these fall papers, and then the Autumn Book, and I'm using it because as soon as I seen his picture, I thought of this adorable little rabbit in here. And I do have him cut out, and he's in amongst all this. So I'll probably be using some of the other ones in here, and then anything else that I actually pulled in. I had bought these Simple Stories Acorn Lane. So maybe I'll have a title in here because I haven't really thought of a title yet. But I thought that would be fun to use that if I come up with a title with any of those words. So I've got 3 of Ashton. And I think I might have just called him Austin. We were talking about Austin. I was talking about Austin with my friend. It's like, now I got Austin on the brain, so I might have called him that, but it's Ashton. Okay, and then I have him again. And him and his daddy are sleeping. And I'm not even sure. Mom took the picture. I think she probably kind of took it at an angle. But they were both asleep in the bed. Daddy's got a hold of him so he won't get away. And this was like really early on too, so he's definitely not rolling. And I'm going to be using Boho Baby. And so I thought the rainbows would be cute. And the little stars. And then I did put in this whole thing. I do have some scraps in here, so maybe I could use a little piece of that. But and then of course I've got the foam stickers, and whenever I get the opportunity I buy the foam stickers just because it will save me having to deal with letters. And this I have Brad that I could actually use this maybe in some of the other ones because they're real nice fall colors, so they might work with his little rabbit ear hoodie. So I've got those too, just in case I want to use any of that stuff. But I thought this worked really cute. He's got on, it looks like another lion outfit. Is so funny. Because, you know, I did his Halloween lion layout, which at the time I asked his mom, is that a bear or a lion? She goes, oh, it's a bear. And then come to find out it was a lion. Okay, so that's that. So that's 3 so far. You can see I'm doing a whole baby selection here. And then I've got Skyler. And this is when she was pretty new also. And she's snoozing on this little blanket. And actually the things I brought to use were, I thought, oh, I could use this little butterfly, use the plaid, and then this little background paper. And this is all from Baby Girl by Echo Park. And the elephants are on this side, but I figured I'd use this side for the background. This got cut aparts on it, so I could always use some of those too. And I stuck this in there just in case I wanted to do like a little bit of the green as trim, because I don't have a plan yet. I just brought papers, and then I brought the stickers in it too. So there's, I think this is number 4 or 5, because I think I had 6 and I think I got one more. Okay, so I think that's 5 right there. I don't know, we'll find out. And then this is actually things I used in high school, or did in high school. And it's like I have a couple of art projects here. And then I had looked at the Love Is people. And then I had this stationery that had this little girl on it. And then my sister had a lunchbox with these people on it. So I would look at them and then I would draw them. And so I put those on my project, or 3 of my projects that I did at school. And I thought, this is perfect for this Simple Stories. What's it called? It's called Boho Sunshine. I kept calling it Boho Summer or something. So I bought these papers just to do these. So I actually pulled out everything. I didn't even think about what I was going to use. So give me a minute and I'll pull out what I'm going to use for this. Okay, I want to use a little bit of this. I had a friend, she painted one wall in her bedroom like this, and it just reminds me of that time. And so I will definitely use a piece of this, even if it's just to frame this, or maybe for the outline, or you know, framing. And I have to use this. Smiley faces were on everything. This is the 70s. So I definitely have to use this. Totally reminds me of it. And then over here we got the big flowers. We used to have flowers on the walls, and we, you know, with flower power. This is like just so perfect. It was so funny because it's like, I love this collection because it reminded me of, and I thought, I don't have anything from that time period, because it's like, I just didn't get a lot of pictures then, unless they were like family pictures or something. But I had these in a drawer because, well, you know, if you've seen my closet, I didn't get rid of too much. And I've gotten rid of a bunch of stuff except for these things. And I have to tell you, my two daughters are like, we both want these. So this is what they're gonna fight over when I die. Not anything else. I just think it's so funny. So it's like I can use these now. I had a Volkswagen Beetle, but that was even later than this time period. But so I might want to use that in there. So I could definitely use some of these things in there. So that's, I'm gonna put these together because I am definitely gonna use these 3 papers, the front, the back, and this here, and maybe I'll even use a little bit of that. So that will be fun to do. That might be my first one because I'm really excited to do that. Actually, I'm really excited to do all these. So that's why I thought I'm just gonna start gathering some of these together and start working on them. So I think I may do, I don't know if I'll do a layout before I gather some more, because I would kind of like enough to do the whole month and kind of figure in my 4 for my collection obsession, and then my Tool Time Tuesday. So I'll have to see if any of these would work for that. But I'm really excited to get to play with these things and do these pictures of the little babes. So thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.